Hello everybody. So the task which I have done is develop a neural network that can read handwriting. So I've used Jupyter notebook for doing this task, and in this task I've completed the task by using Keras TensorFlow. So initially we import the libraries which are essential for implementing Keras, for using Keras. And then I've loaded the dataset, the MNIST dataset, which is a built-in dataset. And I've taken 60,000 samples for training data and 10,000 for test data. And we make conversions for so that the data is getting processed by Keras. So the data is being converted into between the range of 0 to 1 instead of 0 to 255, as all this is pixel values. And then now what we do is we make a conversion of the output variables in the form of one hot encoding vector. So here we just try to visualize how the data set is actually. So this is the sample 1000 is looking like a 0. This is a handwritten value. And then what we do is we build the model, we build the sequential model. So in the sequential model, what we try to do is we create 3 layers here. The first dense layer is the input layer, which contains the 784 input variables or input features. And then we do a dropout of 20% of the data, and this is the hidden layer. And finally, we have the third layer here, where the output variables are obtained, and the output values, we do the softmax conversion there, where we get values as probabilities. Then we try to get a summary of our model, and we do an optimization here. The optimizer used is RMSprop, and now we try to fit the training data. So when we try to do the fit the model with the training data, we get an accuracy of 98%. And to do with the evaluation, we use the test data, and with the test data we get an accuracy of 98.25%, which is very good. And finally we just try to find out which are the variables, which are the values which were not predicted correctly. So when we see all these values here, for example, we have predicted it at 0. The model is predicted as 0, but the label is 6. But this looks a bit weird, as all these are handwritten values. So the model, hence it has functioned really well, and the task is completed now. Thank you so much.